Hey, this is Austin. We're here at Traeger headquarters, and we're going to show you how to make an incredible steak using our Traeger Steak Blend Pellet Kit. You want to start off by patting your steaks dry to remove any excess moisture. Using the Steak Blend seasoning, season the steaks liberally. This is a thick steak, so don't be shy. Insert the meter probe into the thickest part of the steak. We're going to use this to monitor the temperature throughout the cook and get a perfectly cooked steak. Next up, the chimichurri. All it takes is mixing about a cup of grapeseed oil. You want to give this some time to rehydrate, so we'll set this aside while we cook the steaks. For the first step in reverse sear, put the steaks in the grill at 225 degrees until they reach an internal temperature of 115. This should take about an hour, but all depends on the thickness of the steak. When the steaks are at the temp, heat up a cast iron pan on the induction. Add a pat of butter and a few sprigs of rosemary. Sear the steaks on both sides for about 1 to 2 minutes to get a gorgeous crust. I cook these steaks to 125 for a perfect medium rare. All right, we have our finished steaks here. We've smoked them, we've seared them, rested them, and now for the best part, we're gonna cut into them. We're gonna pick them up by this and we'll just slice right down the bone, just following that. And these are looking beautiful, medium rare. Don't throw away the bone. There's plenty of great meat on there. Last step is we're going to take our beautiful chimichurri here and we're just going to drizzle it right over the top. And this is just going to add some nice bright flavors. And now for the actual best part, is taking a bite. It's amazing. You can really taste the garlic and spices in this rub and the brightness of the chimichurri. You're going to love this. For this and more recipes, go to Traeger.com.